Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, back out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook pages. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We are up here in Perry, Kansas. We are trying to get everything wrapped up today on the exterior backfill. We've got a pretty good break in the weather thus far today, so we've wrapped up the inside work here on the basement, the two walls that we have straightened back to vertical. All 14 piers have been installed. All 20 wall braces have been installed. All of the cracks have been epoxy injected. The smaller hairline ones have been sealed with polyurethane. We've filled in all of the temporary holes that we drilled into the wall to get our angle iron, as well as the ones in the floor. We've sealed where the wall and the floor meet. And most importantly, the upstairs now feels level again for these homeowners. So everything went really well on getting this project complete. This is not a typical project that we do. Usually it's just one wall that's leaning in, and this wall, each wall is probably twice the size of the typical foundation walls that we deal with. So this was a very big project. A lot of time needed to make sure that it's done correctly. We had to do a lot of adjusting as we went, as far as the pier installation and the straightening of both walls. We really wanted to make sure that everything we did, we adjusted and got everything where the homeowners wanted. So ultimately, I think we succeeded on that, and now we're just hoping the rain can stay away long enough to wrap up the remaining backfill. So yeah, everything looks great on the installation we did. There's a 6x6 inside the boards here, the treated wood. Around that, tying in the upper ends of our wall braces into the existing joists. The bottom ends are secured right on top of the footing with high-strength concrete. You saw some of the ones along the back wall were encased the same time we did the piers. But yeah, everything turned out great on this project. It looks great. Customers are happy with having a level floor again upstairs. And yeah, now we are just in the process of trying to work through the wetness that we have outside because of yesterday's rain and even the sun this morning to try and get this yard looking as nice and neat as we possibly can. But thus far, everything looks great on this job. It's secure, and ultimately that is what we are aiming for, to bring this foundation back to its correct level elevation, the footing, and get the walls back to vertical. So great project up here that we've been on for the last few weeks. Now we're just hoping to finish out strong on the backfill. So we'll try to get some pictures at the very least, possibly another video once everything is wrapped up and we've got the seed and straw spread out. So stay tuned for those. You'll be able to see them either on our YouTube channel or Facebook page. If you haven't visited either before, just search for King Piers LLC. While you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.